Part 2. Then so let's put TNT on each of this. Only one and one. Then some. So I actually don't have tinsel. Okay. Bye here. Yeah. Okay. So just put. Okay. Can put it everywhere. As you can. So put this there and then the other one. They don't have enough TNT, so let's get some. So let's search so it could be fast. So finish all the items with TNT. Okay, it's all done. And then so the part of here. We're in here. I think we're all done that. Okay. Put it there. Okay. Okay, it's done. Get this. Done. Let's just double check. How about this? So let's get one block of diamond. Block. Okay, diamond. Let's just put it in the middle, like that. Sorry for that background music, because I'm in my room now, in the sala. So okay, it's like this, like that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Sorry if I will put some like blocks, because it's important to have a block. So cut that and let's get some 3 on each side. So 3. So it's again, this is not part of the what I will make the diamonds there. That part just a support for the redstone dust. Like that part there and there and there. So after that we broke this down and then let's stand in the middle and press this to put the lever. So and then after that you will break this the diamonds there. Break that, and then after we're standing there and let's pull that. That's the effect, and then boom, we'll fly. See that? And land in there, but not in the same spot. So okay, guys, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and also the notification bell so that you will be updated on our daily, our videos. So okay, goodbye. Subscribe.